Today's unboxing is the ring fidget spinner. So this is the package it comes in. Let's get it open. Careful not to cut myself. Ow. So, what have we got in here? A little pouch. Doesn't feel particularly great quality, but it's just a free storage pouch. And this is the device itself in a little case. Some interesting graphics around the size. There we go. Magnet fidget toy. Some writing in Chinese, 2024. Let's get it open. It's got a bit of tape on it.
Keep it closed in transit. Is it going to come off? Ah, okay. The tape is in the centre. What's going on here? Why won't this open? I shouldn't be holding it back. Just a twist. No. Right. Let's pause camera while we work this out.
We've worked it out. There's some extra little, you can't quite see them like that, but when you catch one of the edges, then you can see there's some little stickers on there. So let's get them open. Maybe this is the fidget. Just trying to get the thing open. A few moments later, as they say, I've cut one of the things. So there is the fidget spinner. Let's get the other bit of tape off. We've got some bits in here. Ah, okay. So in here we've got some spare magnets. These are sort of tiny little neodymium, I think they're called. This is a little tool to open it up, and therefore to change the magnets. I might do that as a separate video. I want to go and use this thing, have some fun with it first before I break it. So what does it say? Dragon Player, best EDC. That's the back. That's what you do with it. Now, build quality is nice. It's not that satisfying to fidget. It's a little bit of an anticlimax. Oh well, about $20. If I tried it in the shop, I probably wouldn't pay $20 for it. I'd probably pay $8 to $10, and that's being a bit generous. I mean, that's all it does. I think you can vary the magnets, and that varies the strength of it and varies the clickability of it. So, yeah, that's it. The fidget spinner. A little bit of an anticlimax, but what can you do? Maybe it'll grow on me. So quick update, I've been playing with it for a few minutes and it's sort of grown on me, but now no clicking. It seems to have unwound itself. So maybe it needs a little bit of glue in there, but turns out you don't need the tool to do it, you just got to use it and it'll fall apart. So let's see whether we can just get it open and have a little look inside. Interesting. So there's another side, there we go. Remember to put it back in the right order. There's your little magnets. So we've got the replacement magnets in the packet that came with it, but these are all full, so it's not quite clear how you get them out. I guess you could probably put something in there and they'll pop out. Not a good idea, but well, I don't want to scratch it. But if you do lose them, there's some spares. Can you get any more in there? Probably not. Can I put it back together again? Probably not. Oh no, the other side. Oh look. Well, I'm sure there's a way of, you just prise them open. Oh, maybe. Probably read the instructions. Are there any instructions? Maybe there's another layer of magnets, which would make sense, right? This should really be a review video rather than an unboxing, but sod it. Is that going to come out? There you go, that's the other ring. Ah, there you go, we can put some more magnets in the in those bits there, and that will vary the strength. We might give that a go, might have some fun with that. So that's it broken apart. Can I get it back together again? The build quality is okay, the build quality is decent. I mean, it feels quite like it's going to last a long time. Can I remember how to get it back in again? Right, this goes in here, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to tighten it up with the tool afterwards. Let's tighten it up now. Like that, it's quite easy to do. Then this bit goes in here. Which way round does it go? It needs to interface with that. So it doesn't go that way, it needs to go threadways. So therefore it goes in this way. You can see it gets sucked in because of the magnets. And this goes on here, screws in like so. It's not quite clear how you would be to tighten it though. I wonder if okay, that feels tight. So if you see, it's unwinding itself again. So maybe I need to just move it that way. Probably needs a little bit of Loctite to kind of stay in place, but overall I like it. It's kind of growing on me. What's quite nice is that it fits in your pocket really easily, and you can just take it out and have a little play. We might do another review of it after we've been playing around with it. $20, probably fair value. I think, you know, if it was $10 it would be great value, but yeah, there you go.